Christmas jam is made with some of our favorite seasonal fruits and spices that we love to enjoy during the holidays. This cranberry orange jam has a hint of fruity sweetness from the strawberries and the addition of warm holiday spices such as allspice, ground cloves, and cinnamon are the subtle flavors that truly make this jam taste like Christmas in a jar. After washing the berries, add to the food processor the zest of one orange, the orange slices, and the whole cranberries. Process just enough to coarsely chop them. Add to the food processor the whole strawberries and a 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon, allspice, and ground cloves. Process just enough to coarsely chop the fruit together. Add the fruit mixture to a Dutch oven and stir in a 1/2 cup of water. Add a packet of fruit pectin and stir well to combine. Place the jam over medium-high heat and stir constantly while bringing the jam up to a rolling boil. Once the jam has reached a rolling boil that can't be stirred down, add 4 cups of sugar and stir well to combine. Allow the jam to come up to a rolling boil for a full minute before removing from the heat. Once the jam has been removed from the heat, gently skim the foam off of the top. Fill hot, sanitized jars with the jam, leaving a 1/4 inch headspace. Debubble each jar and clean the rims before adding the lids and rings. Place in a hot water bath canner and process for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let the canner rest for 5 minutes before removing the jam. This beautiful red jam has the sweet taste of Christmas in a jar and is one you will surely make year after year. I hope you enjoy this recipe too, my friends. Merry Christmas to you all.